Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up any emails, contacts, or data you want to keep. Use Gmail settings or Google Takeout before proceeding. Once done, unlock your device and confirm a stable internet connection so account changes propagate. Now close the Gmail app and open your device settings. On Android, go to Accounts. On iPhone, go to Mail/Passwords or Settings, right arrow Mail. Make sure you know which Google account to remove so you don't lose necessary data. You will now remove the Gmail account from the device or uninstall the app. On Android, tap Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, select the account, and choose Remove Account. Confirm any warnings. On iPhone, open Settings, right arrow Mail, right arrow Accounts. Select the Gmail account and tap Delete Account to remove mail and sync. If you only want to remove the app, long press Gmail and choose Uninstall or Remove App. Note: uninstalling does not delete the Google account itself. Finish by restarting your device so the system clears cached credentials and completes the removal process. After reboot, confirm Gmail no longer appears in Accounts or as an app. If you plan to use the account elsewhere, you can sign in later via web or another device. If removal fails, make sure you disabled any device protection or factory reset protection, then clear the Gmail app cache or data and try again. As a last resort, remove the account from Google Account Devices page or perform a settings reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.